Oh, coach, also remember I told you that the tendon over here was a little bit inflamed.
Mm-hmm.
It already went down, and I can start to see the tendon pop out on the third toe.
Ah, okay, good. So
And
that's the fascia integration. It's hugging on, it's integrating with your tendons better now. There is a photo of Usain Bolt's feet, and all you can see is these thick, big flexor tendons. But of course, it has to be in a certain angle, right? So, like if you're just if your foot is just down, you're not going to be able to see it. But let's say you put your foot up, right?
yeah,
And now where the fascia, because fascia is water basically. So in a normal state, the water will, of course, will come down. And once it come down, you can see, oh, all these flexor tendons.
yeah. And on my right foot, I can already when I if I press down the toes while doing the hyperarch, I can see the fourth one actually start to pop out a little.
Good, good. So these flexor tendons it serves as a good indicator that your foot is changing, is being molded fascially. So
Oh,
so how does your body compare when you do the uh, of course you did a lot of weight training before. Like how does the soreness difference compare now um to when you were lifting weights?
well, when I was lifting weights, it would always be very localized.
Mm-hmm.
Over here, even if I was to do, for example, squats, I would feel it in the quads and glutes, and not really any of my hamstrings.
Ah,
And the calves, not really anything at all either, or the foot. But over here, I feel it primarily in the posterior chain. I haven't really felt anything on the quads since like the first week or so, where I
okay.
did feel a little bit of the quad activation.
Mm-hmm.
So I feel like that has been changing over the course of these training sessions.
Good, good. And how's your sacrum?
Oh, that one, it doesn't hurt anymore at all.
Okay, good.
The pain, remember, after I think it was the second week,
Mm-hmm.
the pain went away on the sacrum, and
Gotcha.
then it kind of transferred to the low back area,
Mm-hmm.
and that has gone down as well.
Great.